Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Business. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to set up your WhatsApp Business. So you will need just to go to the WhatsApp Business website, or you can just go to the app, your App Store or Play Store. Well, the settings or the steps are the same. So from here, you can just click on download the app, and then you can have either your desktop app or you can have your mobile app. And basically, to get started, we will see how we can have our uh, WhatsApp business that will be set up. Either you can create your account from here, or you can just download the app from your phone, and you will need just to follow these steps. So you will need just to agree after opening the app, agree on the term of service, you add your number, then you can add your media. You can also import your contacts and click and continue to have a backup. Uh, and then you will be able to set up your business account. So basically, the usage of WhatsApp business is as easy as the normal WhatsApp with only some additional features. So as you can see, this is just how you can set up your business account, and this is your settings. So for WhatsApp business, you can have these two most important or the two main things or useful tool are the catalog and the business profile. And from the business profile, you can start giving more additional informations about your business, like shop or any other business that you are running, and you can so the clients can have some idea on your business profile. And after that, you can start adding catalog where you can showcase your products and services. And basically, when your clients can go to the shop, they can start like choosing from your catalog or just seeing what you have for your business. And of course, you can have your you can organize or WhatsApp business provides some more organizing tools like the labels, quick replies if you want to have some bots to reply to the messages, and of course, you can have more control on your messaging. So basically, those are the tools to use WhatsApp Business. Thank you for watching and see you next time.